Hey folks, today we're looking at the Shark Navigator. This is a lift-away vacuum. Comes in a variety of colors and is one of the most popular vacuums on Amazon. So if our camera person will come up and do a close-up of the product, you can see this one's been used a little bit. We've tested it, it's tried and true, and it's absolutely a fantastic vacuum. Now to tip it back, you just step here and you can tip back. The on-off button, I'm going to show you up close, just right here. Has bare floor and brush on. We're going to use brush on. You can hear the brush moving. Now, one of the nice aspects of this is that it is fairly easy to move around. I'm going to close it up, turn it off. Now you have two options with the wand. First off, you have a shorter wand that you can go ahead and click your attachments in, which includes a brush tool or the tighter attachment here for in crevices. This works great for cars and things of the sort. Now also, I'm going to go ahead and put this away here. Oop. It's nice that it does stay with the vacuum cleaner because some brands you don't have the option. You have to keep this separate. It's nice that it clicks right on. But on top of that, with easy release, there's a little red button in the back. You have the longer wand, which is great for getting those cobwebs and things. So again, a fantastic vacuum. Now the suction on this is fantastic. It is built to last, and Shark has some of the best reputation on Amazon. Go ahead and pick one up with Amazon Prime, which means free shipping, free returns, and an A to Z guarantee. Order today, you won't be disappointed, and it is a bagless system, so you're not spending additional money on bags. There you go. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.